Second video of the day, US Highway 41 up to 3rd Army. We're going to turn right on 3rd Army and go down by the vacant Amazon building that has a brand new building that they have not opened, and I don't guess they're going to. This is US Highway 41 North. 3rd Army is that next light up there. About 50 degrees, 10:40 in the morning, the 11th of February 2023. I'm not sure what I said about the last one. Into overdrive a little bit hard. Yeah, this is a rebuilt Jasper transmission, Chevrolet L480E. But they seem to have settled themselves down. Turning right on 3rd Army. Yeah, we were headed north on 41 towards Ackworth. I mean towards Cartersville, I'm sorry. Ackworth behind us. This should take us down to Georgia Highway 293. Turn left, and then we will go up to the sports complex up there. The gate has been open. If it's open, we'll go through the parking lot and let you see it. There's another huge area that's been cleared off. I think Amazon's laying off, what, 10,000 to 12,000 people? They built this facility and it has never opened. Amazon delivery, that's 293 down there. I have drone video of this, but I don't know if I posted it or not. I hadn't been able to find it myself. We're going to label this Amazon Dashcam, or Dashcam Amazon. Yeah, there's that huge place over there. That's between 41 and 293. The gate's wide open. You would think they would have this secure. Well, now this gate's wide open, but that one is just swung partially open for the parking lot there. This is a truck entrance. We'll see if the other entrance is open. We won't go in here. We'll go in the other entrance if it is in fact open. Brand spanking new, or I guess within a few months, Amazon facility that has never opened. Over there is a huge cleared development over there. It's between US 41 and Georgia 293, which is right down here to the right. Turning and looking back towards US Highway 41. This is 3rd Army Road. It runs between US Highway 41 and Georgia 293. Okay, coming out, continuing down the hill, we'll turn in and see if the gate's closed, locked. There wasn't any locks on that other gate, and it was wide open. Let's see what this one is. This one's Visitors and Associates. The other entrance was for trucks. You would think they would have this closed off with it locked, but those other gates over there didn't have any locks on them. What's the deal, Amazon? What was this facility going to be? Or what will it be sometime in the future, maybe? There aren't no trespassing signs, anything that I have seen anywhere. So if there's a problem, not my fault. Let's go up and avoid these speed humps. Looks like the gate's wide open down there. You would think they'd have security. You would think there'd be all kind of mischief that could go on here. And I'm sure they've got, I guess, cameras. Are they active? This is a mystery. I'm curious. Yeah, I know. Curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity's killed a lot of things, I suspect, to be my guess. Yeah, but the gate's wide open. The chain, there's no lock on it. Yeah, and there's that huge facility over there, and look at that huge pile of rock over there, gravel. You're looking right in here at the What's up, Amazon? A huge pile of gravel over there. I wonder if they've run into rock and they're doing their own crushing. Okay, we'll do a slow turn here so you can get a good view of it. I know the sun's in our eyes, but should be able to still get a good view of it. We'll go out this other gate down here. If this was my place, I'd have it gated. Well, I'd have locks on it, and maybe even security. This is just a mystery to me. Go right out, no gate. Got a chain, but it's down. .5663 3rd Army Road. Okay, this is Georgia Highway 293. Ackworth is to our right, Emerson to our left. industrial road that'll take you through to US Highway 41. There you can see that large area that's cleared out there. They are still grading and pushing dirt around there, moving dirt. We may go up from the other side tomorrow. And this is Allatoona Business Center, Phase 1. This is Pumpkin Vine Creek here on the we're crossing now. I think this sports complex, I can't ever remember the name of it. I think it's North Point. We'll turn it off till we get there. Lake Point Sports Center. I can't ever remember it. Yeah, they're doing a big clearing area over there to the left there too. This large sports complex is always busy. There's the Love's Travel Center up there at exit 283 on I-75. We won't turn in there. What are we going to eat? We are hungry. We did not get breakfast this morning. Let's go ahead and turn this off. It'll end this video. And we're headed to Cartersville, find something to eat.